Resource Usage Tree. The Resource Usage Tree is a Resource Explorer feature that provides a clear tree structure showing you where resources are assigned and used throughout your entire project. You can select single or multiple resources, then click on the View Usage Tree button in the ribbon menu. Click Refresh if the results don't appear immediately. You can also find the usage tree by right-clicking in the grid and select View Usage Tree from the context menu, or use the shortcut Ctrl-U. You can expand the tree structure line by line, or expand every element in the tree at the same time by pressing Expand All in the ribbon menu. Collapse All will collapse every branch of the tree simultaneously. The Resource Usage Tree helps to very easily track down exactly where in your project you have used or assigned a resource. You will see the description, quantity, contributing value, cumulative quantity, and cumulative value. Additionally, the Resource Usage Tree gives you fast, direct access to the exact line a resource has been allocated to. The magnifying glass icon highlights the actual location where the resource is being used, so you can find it quickly. The icon won't show up anywhere other than where a resource is being used directly. Double-clicking on the icon, or on the line, will take you directly to that location. The Display Usages option shows where a resource is allocated and is adding value to the project. The Display Assignment option shows all locations where a resource has been allocated in the project, even if they are not adding value to the project. This will happen if a resource is assigned to a rate-only item, is used in a comparison, or in an unfinished cost schedule item or group resource. Resource Usage Tree has a customizable report feature. Go to the Reports tab in the ribbon menu, select Resources, then Resource Usage Tree. When the report first opens, it will be empty. To generate the report, click on the Change button here. Tick the boxes next to the resources to create a report based on your selection. The usage tree can be used at any point in time in your workflow. When building up your project, you will find the Display Assignments option helpful for finding any resources that can be used at any point in the tendering process. This is because it allows you to see where a resource is being used, even if the item is a rate-only item, is used in a comparison, or in an unfinished cost schedule item or group resource. When you need to check which resources are contributing to the project, then the Display Usages option allows you to see exactly where a resource is being used and what value and quantity it adds to the project. The Resource Usage Tree has been redesigned and scaled up to cater for larger amounts of information with improved user functionality and helpful customization features. It will save you time and improve your estimating efficiency and give you a clear overall perspective of resource values, quantities and usages, which is very useful on complex projects. For more information, have a look at our knowledge base articles. If you have any questions about the project you're working on, our 24/7 support team are here to help you 7 days a week. Give us a call at any time and see how we can help you.